What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers? Jay Speed just checking in. I'm just going to smooth out the idle on this '04 Toyota Prius. Voila. Gotta get your finger in there just right. Maybe it's time to clean that filter. Okay, peace out.